So in the previous video I had explained you how to write the editor letter. So here one sold or sample one question is given that you will write in your notebooks. You can read it. Everything is over here, like receiver address, sender address, then date. You can write over here 10th June 2020. Take care. Then respected sir, or you can write here. Then it is written over here, this is the subject regarding reckless driving of school bus drivers. Look here, para 1 is exactly as I have told you. Through the column of your esteemed newspaper, I would like to bring the attention of the concerned authorities towards the issue of reckless driving done by the school. Here we had brought the attention of the concerned authorities. Look, because this issue can be resolved by only concerned authorities. Then in para 2 we have written detailed account of it, in which we have also written the problem which are being faced by the people. Then para 3, here we have made a very polite request or hope, you can see. Like this we can end it well. This you will do in your notebook. Sample 2 question is also given over here, that you will copy down in your notebooks. After that, let's start complaint letter. Complaint letter, this is our second type. Here, as you can see from the word, we are going to complain about something. Few points to be remembered while complaint letter. As far as format is concerned, it is same. You need not to draw again. Once you have made it, that is enough. This you will write. Describe your problem and the outcome, means result you want. Second, include key details such as when you purchase the good, meant to say date of purchasing that gadget or product or services, and when the problem occurred, meant to say when the problem started, what kind of problem you are facing in the same product. Then written identity, what action you have already taken to fix the problem. Fix here means repair or to solve the problem. What action you have already taken. What you will do if your seller, mean to say that shopkeeper, is not resolving your problem, what action you are going to take. Ask for the response within the reasonable time. You need to give the time of 2 or 3 days or maximum a week. Then this is important, you need to attach a copy of any supporting relevant material. Here mean to say receipt can be there, invoice can be there. Okay, so that is really very important to mention, mean to say when that product was purchased, that bill, that warranty card. This is called the documents, relevant documents. Then next I have written over here types of complaint letter. Incomplete or defective order, delay in sending the consignment, the goods arrive in damaged condition, the goods are not what were orders for. Further you can read it.